In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade futures on Quantower. Now to do this, first you want to connect your futures broker. So open up your Quantower platform and then you want to go to the top over here and click on any of these. I'm just going to click on DX feed, and then from here you want to search for your connections and you want to search for your broker which you want to connect. So there's a bunch of different ones. Of course, depending on which one you're using, you can simply click on that specific broker. Then you want to type in your username and password and then select the server, click on connect, and you'll be successfully connected with your broker. That's the first thing you have to do. And then what you want to do is add the trading panels over here. So of course you can add whichever ones you want. If I go to the top left here, there's a bunch of ones. You could go and select something like chart. You could add on depth of market. You could add on things like, I don't know, maybe order entry and stuff like this. So there's a bunch of things you can do. And then of course when you create your setup, your layout over here, which by default it's going to look something like this, you can then go ahead and start trading the way I'm going to show you right now. So you want to first select your futures asset which you want to trade. So I'm going to go to the top left over here and I'm going to click on it. And usually you want to go to all types and select futures over here to filter by futures. Then you want to select what you want to trade. I'm going to go with this one over here, and then I'm going to just double click here to actually populate the chart. And there we go. I've successfully selected what I want to trade. Now, whenever you've done this, you have two options. You could go to the right hand side of your chart and click on this button to open the quick trading panel, where you can select your quantity, your account, and then of course your stop loss or take profit if you wanna. And you can just hit this buy or sell button down here at the bottom. You can do ask, bid, or market. So whenever you do this, you can confirm, and there we go. You've successfully filled your order. Or you could also go to the top left over here, click on this button and then click on OE, order entry, or you could also click on the top over here if you have it up top, and it's going to open up the order entry. Then here you want to find the future you actually want to trade, so I'm going to go with this one, and then over here select your account, your order type, time and force, and then if you want to buy or sell, then here you have the quantity of course, and then you can set a stop loss or take profit as well if you want to, and simply hit the place order button at the bottom, confirm it up top, and there we go. You can trade that way as well, okay? So that's essentially how to trade futures. It's that simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.